Moco-chan's special power. Wow.
Right! My
Right.
special power.
Right?
Right.
Right. Ruffians. Power to sneeze, yeah! What extraordinary sneezes!
It took you a while.
Wow, it turns out that Moco-chan's almost at a total of 200 on-stream sneezes!
Yeah!
In 6 months, not even! That's nothing to sneeze at, right?
I don't know. If that's not extraordinary, then I don't know what is, huh?
Slowly, it seems like Moco-chan sneezes are kind of being thought of as a given or normal. You know, it's just something that happens. It's a normal, everyday Fuwamoco stream.
Ruffians. You're not like my sneezes anymore. Just because it isn't rare done. You don't want it. It's not something to celebrate because it's just commonplace, everyday stuff now. Would it be better for me not to sneeze? Should I just mute what I feel when coming on? Does it gross you out now? I get it. Nothing that I do is special anymore, huh? So that's how it is, huh? I get it. Well, I guess I'll aim for 200. And then maybe then I'll retire from being the strongest sneezer in all of Hololive, okay?
Retire?
I guess that's how it has to be, huh?
Ruffians! Moco-chan came to a decision. Because it's just commonplace. It's just normal. It's kind of gross, actually.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's how you think, huh?